Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert text to speech in Murf AI step by step. So if you want realistic AI narration for YouTube videos, tutorials, podcasts, ads, or presentations, yeah, Murf AI makes the whole text-to-speech process really easy. First, open Murf AI in your browser and sign in to your account. If you don't already have an account, you can create a free one to start testing voices. Now click Create Project and open a blank voiceover project. So this is where you'll convert your text into AI speech. Next, type or paste the text you want Murf AI to read aloud. I mean, this can be scripts, blog posts, captions, tutorials, or almost any written content. Now browse the voice library and choose the AI voice you like best. Murf AI offers different accents, tones, and languages. If you want, you can also add background music or sound effects directly into the project. This helps make the final audio sound more professional. After finishing the voiceover, export the project as an MP3 or other supported format depending on your workflow. You can now import the exported audio into apps like CapCut, Premiere Pro, Canva, or After Effects for your final video project. And that's basically how to convert text to speech in Murf AI from start to finish. After a little practice, you'll be able to create realistic AI narration much faster and easier.